Welcome to the video, judges, folks, and viewers. This is Project Nirmay, which was developed by us, the team HackU at VHack Hackathon, organized on 22 and 23rd March. This Nirmay platform is revolutionizing waste management. How? Let's see. There are some problems faced by the current society, which is unmanaged waste. There is a lack of real-time reporting and tracking of the waste. So, how we are doing that is we are reporting waste. The citizens or any other user can report waste as they encounter on their normal day-to-day life, like going to office, going to university, etc. And they can remote by the location of the waste, uploading the image and a small description or maybe the type. If not, the AI can classify the waste, the type of the wastage. Gamification. The citizens can earn points for reporting the waste, and they can claim multiple discount vouchers by companies which would be sponsoring or maybe partnering with us in the future. Report tracking. They can monitor the status of the submitted waste reports also. There will be a dashboard for municipal authorities. They can track from which location the waste has been reported, and they can take action on that. They can deploy waste collection vans and employees to that location according to the type of the waste that is located there. So this improves the time taken to reporting a waste, and then optimizing the time to collect that waste also. So some real-time features are user authentication, real-time notification as usual in any other website. Our solution is photo reporting. The user can upload via photos. Municipal authorities get real-time alerts. User get rewards. It's the same here as well. So let's move on to the live demo. This is our website called Nirmay. Here you can go through the usage of that. You can go through some demo data, and for reporting wastage, you can go here, set the location as current. You can go to the waste type. If you don't know, you can just go with mixed. You can say I don't know the waste looks like glass. You can upload a basic image of the waste or by clicking the photo, of course. You can submit it. Because we had some database connectivity issues for the users, therefore the report is not submitted right now. But as we rectify this, this will obviously work. Now for onto the dashboard, you can see how many reports you have done, how many pending collections are there, how many in progress are there, and how many has been collected. You can see what are the location and the date you have reported the waste on, and you can see that progress here as well. And yeah, you can go to leaderboard. This will show the local people in your area that has been reporting waste simultaneously as you. Uh, Again, if you log in, if we rectify that database issue, this will work. This is a contact form, just a typical contact form. Yeah, so let's move on. For tech stack, for front end, we used React, Tailwind CSS, and Lucid React with React Router. For backend, we used Supabase, PostgreSQL, Edge functions. For AI, we used Gemini API for image classification, Google Maps API for location and route optimization, and Supabase storage. Gamification, the user can earn points. Based on points, they can redeem vouchers like discount vouchers, and they can climb the leaderboard as they earn more points. Impact benefit, the main impact is faster collection of wastage from a particular location, because right now not everyone is as enthusiastic about wastage and environment conscious as any other, because there is not a platform that can track the waste management of the current society, of the current government. This can also help to improve the image of the government as the users, as there is a transparency of waste management. The citizens can be empowered by their involvement, by their direct involvement in waste management. There was a time constraint. That's why we had some issues with the database connectivity as well. There were technical headers and the lack of teamwork. At first, because this is our first hackathon which we participated in, there was a lack of teamwork, though that is not an excuse. But yeah, in conclusion, By using this platform, the reporting speed can be increased by 90%. The community participation can be increased by 60% because there will be a platform to track those actions that were taken by citizens. And our next steps are including Gemini API or any other API that is more advanced than the current one. Developing a dashboard for municipal office. We were supposed to do this in the time frame, but we were not able to. Go for mobile app version, go for a citywide deployment. And because this was the prototype was currently focused on urban people, we made it in English language. But as we go for rural areas as well, we will implement it for in their native language. So that's it. Uh, that's it. This was our project Nirmay at VHack Hackathon, organized from 22 to 23rd March. This is Team HackU. Bye.